I kissed you and called you Weenie Mushane. Do the chairs in the parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, Gimanendam na dibikak. Hey, BOOZHOO ni janashanabedu. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about what are we about now? About Ojibwe language and culture. And I wonder if Gimanendam na dibikak. I wonder if you're lonesome tonight. That's our Ojibwe phrase. Gimanendam na. Are you lonesome? Dibikak tonight. Eh. No, I was just thinking of that song and thought I'd sing it for today's show. And I was thinking about Ann Dunn, my old friend Ann. I mean, you're not that old. I'm sorry, Ann Dunn. Anyway, I know she loves Elvis as much as I do. And so that song's for you, Ann. And let's see what else. Um, Gimanendam na dibikak. Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, Gimanendam na dibikak. Yeah, are you lonesome tonight? And I tell you what, you're at a powwow and you see some sweetheart there, you go up there and you sing her that. Uh, Guaranteed results. Nah, just kidding. All right, I better go. I will see you again. Giga wabamin, minawa. Oh,